Some parts of contractor marketing are very difficult to wrap your head around. I get why you have such a hard time figuring out how to make heads or tails of your marketing when you're busy taking care of your customers with your industry experience. But sometimes it's easier to figure out than you think. Hey there, it's Chris with Footbridge Media. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to get more contractor marketing tips and tricks. Let's take a look at 6 key things you can look at to figure out if your website sucks. These are not things that you need to get under the hood to figure out. You don't need years of web design and development experience. Anyone who can load up a website can check for these 6 key giveaways that you've got a problem. Number 1, your home page title tag says only home or company name. Go to your website's homepage if you're on a laptop or a desktop. Check the browser tab if you're on a mobile device. Usually you need to tap the load the page and tap the URL button or the all tabs view. Again, one of those things. Doing one of those methods, you should be able to see the title of your website, the title tag. If that says just home or just your company name, it's a good tip off your website wasn't designed with SEO or gaining organic traffic in mind. Generally speaking, the title tag of your website pages should include a target keyword, an important word that's descriptive, makes sense for your business, and is a likely popular search term that people would use to find your business or that particular service. People aren't going to be searching for home, they're going to be searching for the type of service that you offer. Number 2, forever loading sites. When you first go to your website, does it take forever to load all the content? Do images take a very long time to load? Yes, there are things like server hiccups and moments where your mobile internet might be spotty, but overall, your website should be loading quickly. If it takes more than 2.5 seconds for your website to load, your website likely has problems. Yes, there are ways where you can check your core web vitals to do a deep dive, but if you're loading your website and it feels like it's taking too long, it's probably taking too long. Number 3, no mobile design. So if you pick up your phone or your tablet and you visit your business website, does it look like the website fits the device size, or do you have to pinch and zoom all over the place to get around? Does the menu work like you would expect? If your website isn't mobile friendly, it was either built before 2011, which is ancient internet times, or was otherwise out of touch with today's website needs. With most internet searches now being completed on mobile devices, it's pretty clear you're missing out if your website isn't mobile friendly. Number 4, no call to action or phone number above the fold. Your website's priority should be to reduce the number of hurdles a user has to navigate before they contact you. While some potential customers may be doing their research, they may want to poke around your website for a bit to get to know you. You need to be prepared to drive your primed and ready customers to contact you. You need an easy to access call to action and phone number above the fold on every page. Above the fold refers to the part of the website you can see when the page loads. Whether it's on desktop, tablet, or mobile device, your methods of contact should be right there for anyone to quickly access. Don't give potential customers more work to do. Lighten the load, make it easy for them to find your contact form or your phone number. Proper contractor website design and planning at the beginning is much easier than trying to fix things when you're trying to DIY or if you're using another marketer that usually doesn't work with contractors and local businesses. Number 5, no contact form on your website. I've worked with some contractors in the past who said they don't want contact forms because, quote, they don't do email, or because they were otherwise worried about their inability to reply quickly to a customer unless it was a phone call. You are dropping the ball if your website does not have a contact form or email submission section. Remember, it's not about you at that point, it's about how your customer prefers to reach out. If they prefer an online method of communication and you don't offer that, they'll find it elsewhere. Number 6, no redirects from your old website. This one admittedly is a little more technical, but it's still something you can figure out pretty easily. If you had a pre-existing website and then someone took it over, upgraded it, redesigned it, they should have completed redirects of the appropriate pages. For example, if you used to have a service page for your air conditioning repair services, they used to exist at domain.com/air conditioning repair services, but when you redesign your website, that same content now exists at domain.com/AC repairs. When the redesign and website updates are done correctly, if you try to visit that old website URL, it should redirect you to the correct new page on your site. If you don't have any notes or old emails about old website details, you could use a free website service like Wayback Machine to see if you have any web history to check on. While not every page necessarily needs to be redirected, like outdated coupon links or services you no longer offer, the important pages like the services you offer and the cities you service should have any past URL paths properly redirected. If your website has any of these issues, you should quickly fix them. Feel free to comment here to let us know what you found and how you plan on fixing it. If your DIY marketing or your current marketing setup isn't cutting it and you need professional help managing your contractor or home service company website and online marketing, Footbridge Media is here to help. You can learn more about our contractor and home service pro website services online at footbridgemedia.com.